Hey, what's up guys? It's Will, Vaughn's Photo. It's a dreary day here in Tulsa. I was hoping to get some shots of these bald eagles, but apparently they're not coming out, so I'm sitting in the car. We're here for 3 Minute Thursday. I'm going to do just a little bit of news or updates of current events in the photo world. I'm going to start out, thanks to Petapixel for dropping this one. I believe it was yesterday. They said that media companies can't steal photos from your social media sites and use them without permission. Judge Gregory Woods ruled this on the Deutsche Bank VP was at a wedding in New Jersey at Trump's golf club when Trump happened to crash said wedding. And so he got some photos of Trump there, posted them on his social media. And, you know, of course, people at the wedding and friends all shared it over and over again until TMZ, of all people, got a hold of it and started sharing it. So the VP posted, "Hey, TMZ, where is my photo credit?" So Judge Gregory Woods said, "Hey, you're absolutely right. You should get credit for these because it does look like there is a market for your photos. So if in the future you see somebody sharing your photos, especially something like TMZ, make sure you go out and do your part to try to get your credit. If not, maybe a little bit of money in your pocket for it too." New Lightroom update for December. They're letting you customize your development section upon import of your photos. So if you have, you know, a style that you like other than just a preset, if you want them to be black and white, have your contrast adjusted, etc., you can actually move the different areas around on how you want those added to your import. And it's pretty neat, especially I think for a lot of us that are importing a lot of photos at once and we have that certain look that we like to bring in. It's just going to make things a little bit easier. Now, the big thing that I'm pretty excited for is Kipon lenses, K-I-P-O-N. They introduced, or have announced anyway, that they're going to have the first third-party lenses for the Nikon Z-mount and Canon EOS R. They're the Elegant series is what they're calling them. It's actually got that engraved on the lenses themselves. And they're coming out with a 24, 35, 50, 75, and 90 millimeter, all 2.4. And they range in price from $325 up to $499, which is incredible prices, especially if you've seen how much the Nikon Z lenses are going for. Looks pretty interesting. They said they'll be shipping by the end of December, so if you have either of those cameras and you're looking for something besides what's on the shelf right now, check out Kipon. And if you do, let me know what you think of them, because right now I don't have a Z series camera, so in the future I may pick one up, but I'm kind of waiting to hold out and see what Nikon releases. From what I've heard, they've got something big planned for their final DSLR, but we'll see. That's just a rumor, but as most of us know, a lot of the Nikon rumors have held true up to this point, so we'll see. But I may pick up a Z6 just to mess around with, and maybe one or two of these Elegant lenses from Kipon. So I'll leave some descriptions down below. If you want, click some links to these lenses and a couple other things down there I'll leave for you. And until next Thursday, we will see you.